In this module, you learn how to confidently and quickly get around QuickBooks so you can find the things that you're looking for. You also learn the basics of entering your company's expenses. Some expenses can be downloaded directly from your bank and credit card companies, while others should be entered manually. You'll discover why and what to do in different situations. A company is more than just its expenses, though. You also have to record your income. First, you'll learn how to set up the things that your business buys and sells. After that, you learn the process of entering sales into QuickBooks and which transaction forms to use for your business. Is there something specific that you need to track for your sales? No problem. You also learn how to customize your sales to track the things you need. Speaking of tracking the things that you need, you'll also learn about the Report Center, which is where QuickBooks stores all of your reports. By the end of this module, you'll be ready to use the basics of QuickBooks Online.